Long ago, in a kingdom kissed by golden sunlight, everything was bright, joyful, and full of laughter. But one terrible day, a dark enchanter cast a cruel spell. His wickedest deed? He trapped the kingdom's guardian fairy, a tiny being of light named Luma, inside a glass bottle hidden deep beneath the royal castle. "Without your glow," he hissed, "joy will fade, and hearts will grow cold." And just as he said, joy began to vanish. The skies turned grey, songs grew quiet, and even the flowers stopped blooming. In that same gloomy castle lived a young prince named Rowan. He wasn't mean or selfish, just scared. He thought that to become a great king, he needed to know everything. So he read, and read, and read some more. Books became his world. His breakfast went cold. He stopped talking to his mother. He forgot how beautiful the stars looked outside his window. He believed wisdom would make him brave, but instead, it only made him lonely. One morning, his father, the king, gently closed the giant library doors. "No more books, my son," he said softly. "Not until you remember that life exists beyond their pages." Rowan felt lost, empty. He sat alone, unsure who he was without his books. That night, as moonlight spilled across his wall, something strange happened. A tapestry moved, just a little, revealing a secret door. His heart raced. Curiosity, that forgotten spark, came alive again. He opened the door and followed a narrow staircase down into the darkness. At the bottom, something shimmered faintly on the ground. A tiny glass bottle. He picked it up and heard a soft voice whisper, "Hello." Inside the bottle was a faint glow, a tiny fairy with wings like starlight. "I'm Luma," she said weakly. "Once I guarded the joy of this castle. When I was trapped, happiness was trapped too." Rowan's eyes filled with tears. "How can I free you?" he asked. Luma's glow flickered. "By kindness," she said. "Do the hardest thing for you right now, then return and tell me what you've learned." The hardest thing? For Rowan, that wasn't a battle or a monster. It was something deeper, to live without fear of being imperfect. So he tried. He walked with his mother through the gardens and laughed again. He trained with his father, and when he fell, he smiled instead of frowning. He talked with the servants, listened to their stories, and shared his heart freely. And slowly, something magical happened. The castle began to shine again. Laughter returned. The people smiled. That night, Rowan hurried back to the secret chamber. Luma's light sparkled brighter than ever. "What did you learn, my prince?" she asked gently. Rowan smiled. "That wisdom alone can't lead the heart. A true king needs courage, kindness, and joy." At his words, the bottle shattered into glittering starlight, and Luma rose, glowing brighter than the moon. Her light swept through the halls, chasing away every shadow. From that day on, King Rowan ruled with both wisdom and warmth, because he finally understood the greatest light of all comes from kindness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.